Benrus is diving deep into its heritage once again. And this time, it's bringing back one of its most beloved classics, the Ultra Deep, a compact, vintage-inspired diver that channels pure 1960s spirit with modern reliability. Founded in 1921 in New York by the Lazarus brothers, Benrus earned its stripes building rugged military watches and dependable dive pieces. Back in the 1960s, during the golden era of recreational diving, Benrus joined the super compressor craze. Watches with twin crowns, internal bezels, and a caseback that sealed tighter as you went deeper. Those original ultra-deep divers became cult favorites, and now, more than half a century later, they're back, rebuilt for 2025 with that same old-school charm. But with modern specs, the new Benrus Ultra Deep keeps the dual-crown compressor-style layout, but in a beautifully compact 36.5mm stainless steel case. It's the perfect size, wearable, nostalgic, and full of personality. You've got 200 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown, and proportions that feel pure mid-century. Just 41.5mm lug-to-lug with 18mm lugs. The matte black dial flows seamlessly into a full-width internal 60-minute bezel, giving the illusion of a larger watch while keeping that retro compact feel. And check out that double-domed acrylic crystal, complete with an internal date magnifier. It's a deliberate nod to the 1960s, and it looks incredible in the light. Benrus stays faithful to the details: cathedral-style hands, clean minute track, and C3 superluminova across the hands, indices, and bezel markers, ensuring that warm vintage glow under low light. Inside, the Ultra Deep runs on the Subprod P024 automatic movement, based on the reliable ETA 2824 architecture, with hacking seconds, quick set date, and about 38 hours of power reserve. It comes on a Jubilee-style stainless steel bracelet, complete with quick-release spring bars, and Benrus even includes a blue nylon NATO strap for your swim days or weekend adventures. And the best part? The price. At $1,195 US or 1,105 Swiss francs before tax, this watch delivers serious vintage charm, solid specs, and heritage appeal without breaking the bank. The Benrus Ultra Deep isn't trying to reinvent the dive watch. It's reminding us why we fell in love with them in the first place: compact, characterful, and packed with history. If you're a fan of classic dive design with modern dependability, this is one to keep on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What do you think of the Ultra Deep's revival? Until next time, keep your watches wound and your spirits deep.